Hi everyone, welcome to week 18 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a easy common daisy motif with 6 petals. For this I have chosen 2 colors. You can choose the color you like. So here we are going to use 2 colors, one for the center and the second one for the petal. So first I have taken the color A for magic ring. So first we'll be doing a magic ring. So inside this magic ring we should make 6 single crochets. So once we are done with the 6 single crochets, you can pull this tail part. Now you'll have a semicircle. To close this first row, we are going to make a slip stitch with the first single crochet of previous row. So now we are done with the first row. Now you can choose the color B. So directly I am going to start this using the next color. While doing this, just ensure you are tightening the new color and the previous color tail ends. So now we are going to make 5 chain and 1 triple crochet in the same stitch. So first we are making 5 chain stitches and we will be making 1 triple crochet into the same stitch where we have done the chain stitches now. While doing this, try to hide the previous color and the current color we are using by sealing it at the back side. So if you see here, we have taken the yarn overs for triple crochet, and while inserting into the loop, just hold the 2 colors here. And now you can make triple crochet. So we have done this chain and triple crochet in the same stitch. Now we'll be making 1 more triple crochet in the next stitch and 5 chains into the same stitch. So we'll be repeating the process now. So again you shall make 5 chain stitches and we'll be making 1 triple crochet. So now you should make 1 triple crochet in the next, and 5 chains to the same stitch. So now we are done with this. So you can pull this as much as you want to make that as a charm. Now we got a daisy with 6 petals. Now you can cut the excess part of the yellow and pink, so which we have already hidden in the stitches. So now this is done. Here you can connect this. Also you can cut this off. So to seal this, make a knot with the tail end we left for the yellow. So if you don't want a gap here, you can just pull this yellow one before tying it up so that you'll have 0 space left. So now you can make one more knot. And now with the crochet needle, you can just hide it in the back side. So by inserting into the loop and take this yarn out. So do this for multiple times, like at least for 2 to 3 stitches, so that it will be hidden. Then do the same thing for the other color as well. So once you are done hiding this, you can cut this off. That's it. This is how it looks. Hope you all like this. Thank you for watching.